Here is a step-by-step demonstration on how to create a care card. Step number 1, you're going to fold your paper in half. Step number 2, you're going to add a thoughtful and generous message right on the front that will open somebody's eyes and make them feel appreciated. Step number 2, you're going to open up your care card and add some creative and positive images in which you can draw or print out and insert. And then lastly, for step 4, you're going to add another nice message that further makes somebody's day better and brighter. Here's an example of a completed care card. This care card is dedicated to all of our frontline workers and healthcare workers who worked really hard during the COVID-19 pandemic. Here on the front, you can say we have a big thank you and a red heart. And in the inside, we have a "you are appreciated for all you do" little message, and hopes that that will make them feel appreciated for all of their hard work.